Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am going to share my mini purple haul which I ordered recently, and if you want to see what I ordered then please keep on watching. But before start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now then please subscribe it, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without further ado, let's get started. So first product which I have is a Stay Quirky Blend Her Beauty Blender, and it comes in this black cardboard packaging. The actual price of this product is 325, but I got this at rupees 163 rupees after discount. I choose green pear shaped beauty blender, but you can choose any shape and any color from this range. This beauty blender is so soft, and when you damp this beauty blender it gets double. So I like this product and it is very affordable. Next product which I have is a NYB Matte Lip Crayon combo, in which you get one lip crayon and one Stay Quirky sharpener. The actual price of this combo is rupees 274, but I got this at rupees 149 after discount. I ordered Bad Guy Choice number 4 shade, which is nude pink color, and the sharpener is also of very nice quality. It has two sides for sharpening both big and small pencils. It also has a plastic pick to keep the blades clean. So I like this combo. Next product which I have is a Good Vibes Peach Nourishing Body Lotion, which hydrates and nourishes your skin for a long time. It contains 200 ml of product. All the ingredient list are mentioned here. The shelf life of this product is 2 years. The actual price of this product is 195, but I got this at rupees 149 after discount. Next product which I have is a Stay Quirky nail polish, and I ordered different shades from different range. So the first shade is Stay Quirky Tracking Status 646, which is a transparent chunky glitter nail polish, and it contains 10 ml of product, and shelf life is 36 months from packaging, which means 3 years. The actual price is rupees 255, but I got this at rupees 128. Next shade is a Stay Quirky Spot On 970, which is also a transparent glitter nail polish, but it is new type of color and it contains beautiful stars, which looks great. It contains 8 ml of product, and the shelf life of this product is also 36 months from packaging, which means 3 years. The actual price is rupees 135, but I got this at rupees 68. Next shade is a Stay Quirky Boyfriend Jeans 1104, which is a blue denim range and give denim fabric look in your nails. It contains 6 ml of product, and shelf life is 36 months from packaging, which means 3 years. The actual price of this product is rupees 135, but I got this at rupees 68. Next shade is a Stay Quirky Occult 1107, which is holographic effect black magic range, which gives magical looks to your nails. It contains 6 ml of product, and the shelf life of this product is 36 months from packaging, which means 3 years. The actual price of this product is 135, but I got this at rupees 68. Next shade is a Stay Quirky Heavenly Embrace 517, which is minty blue color and my favorite shades from all. It contains 6 ml of product, and the shelf life is 36 months from packaging, which means 3 years, and the actual price of this product is rupees 88, but I got this at rupees 59. So that's it in this video, and I hope you like to watch this video. And if you find this video helpful, then please like, share, subscribe and comment. And if you have any question, then please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.